Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be replacing some refrigerator light bulbs that are incandescent with some LEDs. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. But I'm actually going to be replacing this one here. There's one down here that's actually blown, and then there's two that go in the freezer right over here. So this is pretty much how it looks before, and I'll show you what it looks like after the bulb replacement. These are the actual bulbs right here. These are an E26 base, and they use 6 watts. It's actually a 60 watt replacement, as it says right here on the box. And these are non-dimmable, and they put out about 600 lumens, as you can see right here for the brightness. If you turn around to the side of the box, you can see more of the specs. And let's go ahead and do this replacement. All right, here are the old bulbs and these are the new bulbs. It was really easy to change them out. All you have to do is just take off the lens cap and just unscrew the old one and put the new one in. And one down here, I actually didn't have to take off anything. I just had to pull this forward a little bit, and they gave me access to the socket. This one, I actually had to pop off the clips on the bottom. And there's 2 over here, so I had 2 that were placed in the freezer and 2 in the refrigerator, one up top and one down below. All right, about 5 minutes later, you can see how it was really easy to change out these LED bulbs, and you can see the difference in the brightness, and also the light output is nice and bright and white. You can see this is the top one here, this is the bottom, and this is the freezer. I almost feel like I have a brand new refrigerator now, so I'll go ahead and overlay the old video footage of what it looked like before, so you can see the before and after of the light output. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, check out these bulbs if you want the best price. I'll leave them in the description below. It really helps out the channel. But if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.